Boldify, y'all. Let's talk about a review for this wonderful dry texture spray for fine hair. I have very fine hair and I have loved this texturizing spray. It gives volume to the hair. It doesn't make the hair sticky and gross. It just picks up a little bit of the volume. It has the cap that you can hear it. It just locks and unlocks, and I'll do the spray. See how light mist it is, and then let me show you what I like to do is just pick it up and do it up underneath to give me just a little bit of volume right there. And when it dries, it's even better. I don't know if anybody has tried this yet, but once you blow dry your hair, you can put the Boldify dry texture spray in your hair, let it dry, and then brush through it. And what I have found is then when I curl my hair has more body and more staying power. So that's just a little tip from one girl that does all that she can to maximize her beauty at her age. So if that's a little tip and a little trick that you might want to try. So I have absolutely loved the Boldify dry texture spray. It is something really wonderful, and I bet you want to try. Put it in your cart today.